The NI-5048M-HFC inverter is a cost-effective, high-performance device manufactured by Inhenergy. This single-phase off-grid product is compact, lightweight, and conveniently designed for fast and easy installation. Its maximum output power is 5 kilowatts, but it can provide up to 10 kilowatts of surge power for greater startup surge power. The output power is scalable by wiring up to 9 inverters in parallel connection that can support increased power loads as high as 45 kilowatts. Pure sine wave design with a power factor of almost 1.0 allows for smooth, trouble-free and highly efficient operation of the connected electrical equipment. The built-in charger, employing the advanced maximum power point tracking technology, ensures maximum power is extracted from the PV system, providing improved energy yield and operational efficiency. A wider PV input voltage range of 120 to 450 volts means more solar arrays could be added to the existing system to generate additional power. The battery equalization function helps to improve battery capacity and extend system life by minimising the accumulation of dangerous sulfate crystals and concentrated sulfuric acid in the battery. Thanks to the LCD screen and multiple communication gateways like USB, RS-232 and Wi-Fi, the system parameters can be easily configured and monitored even from a remote computer or mobile application. Also, users have the flexibility to set the battery charging priority for either the grid or solar power, depending on their requirements. Reach out to us and we will help you choose the right products for your needs. Inhenergy has a world-leading PV inverter and energy storage solutions manufacturer, offers a comprehensive portfolio of small size, lightweight and high yield products, as well as cloud platform solutions for distributed PV systems.